Hi, I'm Brad Scott. I'm a commercial and fine art photographer based out of South Lake Tahoe, California. And I'm here at Artbeat Studios where I get all of my printing done. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about some really exciting medias. HD metal silver, which is on my right, and brushed aluminum, which is on my left. It's a die bond aluminum that it's direct printed on, okay? I'm going to go over each one individually, starting off with the HD metal silver. Now, HD metal silver is a dye sublimation process where the ink of your photograph is infused, it's heat infused with a heat press into the actual sheet of aluminum itself. Now we have a couple different options that I've mentioned in other videos with the HD metals. You've got HD metal white, HD metal silver, and on both of those options there's a glossy and a matte finish. So this is the HD metal silver glossy finish. The silver of the aluminum will show through as your highlights in your photograph. These are scratch resistant archival inks that are beautiful, very vibrant, and it's a very artistic look with the HD metal silvers with that aluminum shining through. And with the brushed aluminum, it's a die bond aluminum that the ink is laid on top of the print. I would say it's a little bit more artistic of a look too. You've got more texture to the metal itself. This is actually my first time printing brushed aluminum. I'm seeing my image like I've never seen it before. Every angle that you look at it from is different, and it just catches the light on those highlights in the water, the waterfall, the skies. Everywhere you look at it, it's a different contrast. It goes from less contrast to more contrast, which way you look at it. And it's the most artistic media that I've ever worked with as far as printing my own photographs go. And it just blew me away as soon as I saw it. My friends at Artbeat Studios had set it up to where we're doing these comparison videos. And being able to see the same image on two different medias was really cool for me as a photographer. Now, both of these prints are shown in a float mount, which is what they offer at Artbeat Studios. This is a more modern take on just framing your prints with a mat and a frame. And I totally prefer having this float mount print instead of a framed print. I just think it really pops out. It's a more modern look. I just really love showing my photography with this format. The mounting options on the HD metal silver are going to be a natural wood backing, a black wood backing, or a natural aluminum and a black aluminum finish. Obviously you don't really see the back of your prints that much, but if you're a fine art photographer and you're selling your images, just know that when your client receives that image, the back of it looks just as professional, just as good as the front. And the front of the image is absolutely stunning. With the brushed aluminum, we have the same exact mounting options. You got the float mount with the natural wood, black wood, natural aluminum, and black aluminum. And both of these options, no matter which one you choose, are just gonna blow people away. I did want to talk a little bit on how to set up your files and maybe images that would work best with these media options. With HD metal silver and with the brushed aluminum, just know that your highlights in your image, your whites of your image, are going to be replaced with that aluminum finish, okay? So it's going to be a little bit of a darker white point than just printing on like an HD metal white where you got that white base coat. The colors are going to be slightly more metallic, a little bit darker in your highlights. These printing options work really good with a high contrast photograph. Really dark shadows and really bright highlights are what really look good with these printing options. So that's pretty much the difference between the brushed aluminum and the HD metal silvers. I hope you guys got a lot of information out of this video. If you want to order yours, go ahead and go to artbeatstudios.com and order one for yourself. Thanks for watching, guys.